Hey guys, so I had this intuition and this feeling that I should pull cards today. So I decided to pull cards, and the cards are actually pulled right now. And basically, the reason why the cards are being pulled right now is because there's a lot of energy out there, and it's negative and it's positive, and we necessarily don't really know how to create our energy to fit it a little bit better so we don't feel as negative considering what's everything that is going on. So this reading right here is how to make your energy better to go with what is happening, because we all have a part, and the cards are going to tell us where to go and how to make it better for us. So let's get started. Okay, so the first card is Action. And as you guys see, it's two beautiful horses. Let's see. Mhm, mhm. So basically, what they're telling me right now is that we all have a feeling or a need to step into action. And when we do that, we kind of take things a little too far. We take it to the next level. And we don't necessarily know why, because we think we're helping. We think that's what we're doing. We think we're helping. We're thinking we're going to help the energy because I'm doing this and I'm taking action. I'm doing my part. Instead of knowing that when you do that, you are actually helping with the energy of the problem. And mhm. It's that we get our ego in the way. And when our ego is in the way, how do we really start helping? So basically, what they're talking about is taking a step back and starting to work on it through us. Like, what can we do for us? How can we change our energy on how we work and how it affects us? Because we're not necessarily helping the energy while taking this action of trying to do what we think we can to make a difference. It's not making the difference. It's creating more of a problem than sending out loving energy to the world and sending out live vibrations. The next card is number 5. She says attachment. Oops, there we go. Attachment. And with this is basically, once again, this is our ego. And we just have this feeling, we have this need to help and help and help. And when we do it, we forget our actual nature of helping out the way, because once we get in it and once we do it, we're like, we got to do this, we got to do it to our best. We have to do it to our best ability. And then we forget, like, well, am I really happy doing this, or am I just doing it because I think I'm helping? It's the ego that we get by thinking we're doing a certain situation, a certain help, that gets us in a vibration of lack and feeling like we're not doing anything, because you'll just go back and try to do something more instead of just being like, okay, is what I'm doing really helping? Or is it putting somebody else in a low vibration? Is it scaring someone else that I'm doing this? Instead of just being like, okay, let me just take a deep breath, sit back, and just know that I am sending love into the earth, because that is what I can do, and that comes back to me. And just send love. The next card is Happy Family. And as you guys can see, my goodness, sorry guys. Okay. Well, there's a mother, a daughter, a father, and son. So technically it's a happy family picture, but the lighting in here is actually pretty bad today. I'm so sorry, you guys. But the happy family card is about creating the happiness within you, the happiness within your friends, creating a circle of happiness where you can go out, spread love, enjoy your time without fear, not worry about any of that stuff. And it just is. You have to support yourself, support your friends, send out love. Love is everything. Love is absolutely everything. And if we're continuing to spread out fear, hate, and not love, that's what is destroying everything. So remember to spread the love. Like the song that says, "Where's the love?" How about spread the love? And the last card, and I really hope you guys can see it because this card is my ultimate favorite out of this whole deck. It's the Goddess of the Moon. So we're basically talking about Luna or Celeste, however we want to call her, depending on what culture you are in. This card is absolutely beautiful. She's holding the moon. Ooh, that was actually a good view right there. You guys can see her. But she's spreading out a message for you guys. She's saying, look at her whenever you are lost. Look at her if you need some love. Because she will help spread you that love. So if you're having a really bad day, just ask Luna to give you some love. Because everything from Mother Earth to the sun to Luna, they're here to give you happy vibrations. They want you to remember that you are full of love and you are a love being. I hope you guys enjoyed this reading. I am so sorry that you couldn't see the cards today. The lighting is just crazy because it's overcast outside and I work with natural light right now. But I hope you guys all have a blessed day and peace out. Bye.